Assalamu alaikum 9 class. Our today's lecture is mechanism of enzyme action, and in mechanism of enzyme action we have a substrate and the active site which has to be fixed in the active site. After the substrate attaches with the enzyme, it forms enzyme substrate complex. When enzyme acts on the substrate, it converts the substrate into product and releasing itself. After that, we come towards the models which describe the enzymes very brilliantly. First chemist, who was named as Emil Fischer in 1894, he proposed the lock and key model. Like we have a lock and key, and every lock have its specific key. Similarly, a specific enzyme has a specific substrate for it. Like you can see that we have a zigzag substrate, and the active site of the enzyme is also the zigzag. So this model explains that enzyme is a rigid structure, and substrate which has to be fixed in the enzyme should be the shape of the enzyme, of the active site of the enzyme. So the conclusion we get from this model is that enzyme substrate are specific to each other. The last model, or the second model which we learn, is induced fit model. An induced fit model was proposed by Daniel Koshland. According to this model, active site is not a rigid structure. It can be molded according to its functions. After that, we learn that how enzymes are specific. Now, how enzymes are specific? Basically, specificity of enzyme is described as over up till now 2000 enzymes are known. Specificity of enzyme means the enzyme which is working in one reaction, it cannot catalyze the other chemical reactions. For example, enzyme protease, which breaks peptide bond between amino acids. So protease cannot break down the starch because starch breaking specific enzyme is amylase. And when amylase acts on the starch is converted into small glucose units. After that, the third enzyme which catalyzes the fats or the lipids. Lipase is the third enzyme which catalyzes the lipids into fatty acids and glycerol.